Hello students, today we are starting first chapter, that is the polynomial, and that exercise is 1. First question, find the quotient and remainder on dividing polynomial x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. How can divide? First of all, we can write x plus 1 and the sign of division. Now dividend, you can write here, that is x square minus x plus 1. Now this x divided to this x square, and it will be x times. It is written here, x is multiplied to this, x into x, that is the x square, and x into 1, that is the x, and that is plus x. Now change their sign, that is positive becomes negative, and this is your positive, then it is negative. X square cancel with x square, and here is minus x and minus x, it becomes minus 2x, and plus 1 is also here. Now there is minus sign, so we can take negative sign, and here is 2, so it is divided 2 times, so we can write here 2 times. So multiply minus 2 with this x plus 1, minus 2 into x, that is the minus 2x, and minus 2 into 1, that is the minus 2. Change their sign, it's negative, then it becomes positive, it is your negative, then it becomes positive. Now 2x and 2x cancel to each other, 1 plus 2, that becomes 3, plus 3. So quotient q is equal to, you can write here, quotient is equal to how much? It is x minus 2, and the remainder r, that is your plus 3, and that one is your answer. Once again, find the quotient and remainder, this quotient and this remainder on dividing polynomial x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. So x square minus x plus 1, and x plus 1 is here, so x square divided by x, it becomes x times, and x multiplied to this one is plus x, change their sign, it becomes minus 2x plus 1, and further it was divided to minus 2x, that is the minus 2 times. So minus 2 multiplied to this one, and right here, change their sign and solve this. So quotient is equal to x minus 2, and remainder is x plus 3. That is your answer, and it is your first question. Now we want to solve the other questions in the similar way. Now come to the second question, and that is the find the quotient and remainder on dividing 6x square minus 5x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. Now first you have to write 6x square minus 5x and plus 1, and divided by this one 2x minus 1. First of all, 6x square divided by 2x, it takes 3 times of x, 3x. So 3x multiplied to this 2x, it becomes 6x square, and 3x multiplied to minus 1, so it becomes minus 3x. Change their sign, minus, plus, and 6x square and 6x square both are cancelled to each other. Here is minus 5x, and here is plus 3x, so it becomes minus of 2x, plus 1. Now 2x here and 2x is also here, but there is a negative sign, so it becomes minus 1 only. So minus 1 multiplied to these 2x minus 1. So minus 2x, and here minus 1 into, that is a plus 1. Now change their sign, plus, and here is minus. So it cancel to each other, and 1 and minus 1 is also cancel to each other. Now remainder is 0. So your answer is, this one is quotient. So quotient q is equal to 3x minus 1, and remainder r is equal to 0. That is your answer. Now come to the third question, that is find the quotient and remainder on dividing 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3y and plus 1 by y plus 1. It's a variable in y. So how can divide this? First of all, y plus y 1. Now we can write here 2y cube plus 4y square and plus 3y and plus 1. First of all, 2y cube divided by y. So it becomes 2y square times. So 2y square, once again multiply to this one. So 2y square multiplied by y, so it becomes 2y cube. Now 2y square multiplied to 1, it becomes plus 2y square. Now change their sign, minus, it becomes minus. So y cube and y cube, that means 2y cube and 2y cube cancel to each other. Here is plus 4y square and minus 2y square, so it becomes plus 2y square. Now here is plus 3y. What happened? Now 2y square divided by this y, so it takes 2y times. So 2y multiplied to this one, y plus 1. So 2y into y, that is 2y square, and 2y into 1, so plus 2y. Now change their sign, it is minus and it becomes minus, this will be cancelled out. So plus 3y and minus 2y, that becomes y. And here is only y plus 1. So as you know, y plus 1 is here and y plus 1 is here, so it takes only 1 times. So we can write here 1 y plus 1, change their sign, that one is cancelled out and remainder is 0. So your answer, the quotient is equal to 2y square plus 2y plus 1 and remainder is equal to 0. That is your answer. Now come to the question number 4. That is, find the quotient and remainder on dividing x to the power 5 plus 5x plus 3x square plus 5x cube plus 3 by 4x plus x square plus 2. These polynomials are not written in the form of ascending order or descending order. So first of all, you can write in descending order of power of x to both the polynomials. So first of all, we can write this one, x square plus 4x and plus 2, and dividend is, that is x to the power 5 and 5x cube and plus 3x square plus 5x and last, that is the plus 3. How can divide to this? You can take first and first. So x to the power 5 divided by x, in x to the power 3 times. So x to the power 3 is here. So x to the power 3 into x square, that becomes x to the power 5. So first we can multiply to this polynomial. So x to the power 3 multiply by this, so it becomes x to the power 5 and x cube. This one is 4x to the power 4. So it becomes 4x to the power 4. And here is now plus 2x cube. Now change their sign like this. This will be cancelled out to each other. Here is 5x cube. There is no x to the power 4. So you can write first minus 4x to the power 4. Minus 4x to the power 4. Now 5x cube and this is the 2x cube with minus sign. So it becomes only 3x cube. Now take this one plus 3x square. Now minus 4x to the power 4 divided by this x square, it becomes how many times? It takes minus 4x to the power 2 or minus 4x square. So minus 4x square multiplied to this whole polynomial. How can multiply? Minus 4x square into x square, it becomes minus 4x to the power 4. Now 4x square multiplied to this 4x, it becomes minus 16x cube. So minus 16x cube. Now 4x square minus multiplied to this 2, so it becomes minus 8x square. Now change their sign. How can change? It's negative, it becomes positive. It is also negative, it becomes positive. And this one is also negative, so it becomes positive. This will be cancelled out to each other. And here is 16 plus 3, that is the 19 of x cube. And plus 3 and 8, that is the 11x square. Here is 5x, so you can write plus 5x. Now this one is 19x cube and here is x square. So it takes plus 9 times of x. Now 19 multiplied to this one 19x, multiplied this polynomial, whole polynomial. So 19x into x square, that is the 19 of x cube, and this one is 19 multiplied by 4. What will come? 4 9 ja 36. That is 6, and 4 1 ja 4, and 3, that is the 7. 19 4 ja 76, and x square. Once again 19 2 ja 38, so plus 38 of x. Now change their sign. It will be cancelled out. So it becomes, that is a negative and it's your positive, so it becomes negative. Negative is larger. So 6 minus 1, that is the 5, and 7 minus 1, that is 6. So 65 of x square, and here is minus 33 of x. The last one is plus 3. We can write here. Now it is 65 with minus sign, so you can write 65 here. Now multiply to this minus 65 of x square, and here is with minus sign. How much? It is 260 of x, and here is to multiply to this with negative sign. Two 5 get 10, and 2 6 get 12, and 1 13. Now change their sign. It becomes positive. It is also becomes positive, and this one is also positive. This will be cancelled out to each other. Now positive larger, so subtract to each other. 0 and 10 minus 3, that is the 7, and 5 minus 3, that is the 2, here is plus, it will be added to each other, 1 3 3. So your quotient is how much? It is x cube minus 4x square plus 19 of x and minus 65, and last one is remainder is equal to 227 of x plus 133. That is your answer. Now come to the fifth question, and that is find the quotient and remainder on dividing x square minus 2xy plus y square by x minus y. There is two variables, so how can write this one? It is x minus y is divisor, and here is x square minus 2xy and plus y square. First you can see here only the first terms. So x square is divided by x square, so it takes x times. So you can write here x and multiply to this one. So x square, x multiplied to x square, and here is minus xy. So you can write minus xy. Now change their sign. It's positive, so it becomes negative, and it is negative, so it becomes positive. So x square will be cancelled out to each other. Minus 2xy, and here is plus xy. So it becomes only minus xy. So minus xy. And here is plus y square. You can take this one downwards. Now you can support this xy divided by this x. So it becomes minus y times. Now minus y multiplied to this polynomial. So minus xy and minus plus y square. So it is your negative, change the signs. It is negative, so it becomes positive. This one is positive, so it becomes negative. Now xy cancel to xy, and y square also cancel to each other, so it becomes 0. So quotient is how much quotient? That is the x minus y. So x minus y, and the remainder, that is the r, it becomes 0, and that is your. ये क्वेश्चन मैंने केवल 5 कराए हैं आप लोगों को, तो हर सेट लगभग मैं 5 क्वेश्चंस कर दूंगा, 5 क्वेश्चंस का रहेगा अपना, और कोशिश करूंगा ये आप लोगों का पूरा कोर्स किस तरह से कंप्लीट हो, और ऑनलाइन आप लोग जो है थोड़ा ध्यान दे करके पढ़ें, और कोशिश करें कि कैसा आप लोगों को वीडियो मेरा लग रहा है, कहाँ कोई मिस्टेक दिखाई दे रही है उसको भी मुझे बताएं, क्योंकि पता नहीं चल पा रहा, ऑनलाइन तो ऐसे पता नहीं चलेगा, सामने रहते तो पूछ भी लेता, इसलिए जो है थोड़ा बहुत जो है मुझे बताते रहेंगे फ़ोन करके टाइम टू टाइम। और जैसे ही वीडियो आप लोग देख लें और इसको अपनी कॉपी में भी कंप्लीट करेंगे, कॉपी जो नोट्स हैं आप लोगों को बिल्कुल कंप्लीट शुरू से ही बना के चलेंगे, ऐसा ना हो लास्ट में जाके कहें सर हमें तो कुछ मिला ही नहीं, हमने वीडियो देखा ही नहीं। तो वीडियो के साथ साथ आपको पूरी कॉपी भी कंप्लीट करनी है। तो आज से स्टार्ट हो जाइएगा, एक्सरसाइज अभी पहली एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट हो रही है, और मैं कोशिश करूंगा आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन ज्यादा से ज्यादा मिल जाए, और इसकी बाकी जो क्वेश्चन हैं रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को घर पे करने हैं, और यदि कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे केवल व्हाट्सएप पे कर दीजिएगा कि हाँ ये क्वेश्चन मेरे समझ में नहीं आया, इसको बताना है, तो मैं बता दूंगा आप लोगों को, उसके लिए वीडियो बना दूंगा।